Hi everyone, today let us learn about the solar system. What is solar system? It is a collection of the planets and their moons that revolves around the sun to make up the solar system in a particular path called as orbits. Here I am drawing the rough diagram of the solar system. If you like this drawing and my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. The solar system consists of 8 planets. You can see here the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. And the second is Venus. And the third planet is Earth. And fourth planet is Mars. And fifth planet is Jupiter. You can see in the picture how the numbers of planets are increasing. They are far away from the sun. And the sixth planet is Saturn. And the seventh planet is Uranus. And the last planet, that is Neptune, is very far from the sun. You can see in this picture all these planets revolves around the sun in the fixed path that is called as orbits. These planets have smaller objects that go around them. These objects are called satellites. These planets and their satellites and the sun are the most prominent bodies that form the solar system. These planets are also called as the heavenly bodies that revolves around the sun to make the solar system. Here I am drawing the another diagram, that is sun, moon and the earth. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. It goes around the earth in an orbit. The moon is made up of rocks. The moon does not have any light. It reflects the sunlight falling on it. And the earth does not stand at one place. It moves around the sun and also around itself. Let us study briefly about the rotation of the earth. What is rotation? The rotation is a circular movement of an object around itself. The line around which it rotates is called as axis. The axis can be visible or non-visible. Let us take an example of a fan. A blades of a fan rotates around the axis which is attached to the rod to the ceiling. The earth also rotates around itself. You can see a tilt of an axis, that is rotation of the earth, and there is a two poles, that is north pole and the south pole. The north pole falls in the Antarctic Ocean while the south pole is in the continents of Antarctica. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. The axis is an imaginary line that joins earth's two poles. The moments of earth rotates its axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Let us see the revolution of the earth. The earth is divided into two halves, that is north and the south, and they are known as the hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Here is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two halves, that is equator. You can see here the part between the equator and the south pole is called southern hemisphere, and the part between the equator and the north pole is called northern hemisphere. We know that the earth is tilted and revolves around the sun. Due to this, depending on its position on the orbit, one hemisphere is inclined towards the sun and hence get more intense sunlight for the longer duration, while the other hemisphere is inclined away from the sun and get less intense sunlight for a lesser duration. For example, when the position of the north hemisphere is towards the sun, it gets more sunlight, whereas the southern hemisphere get less sunlight because it is away from the sun. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.